Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Hi CK, hi 王志宇, Trinette, Fab, Bradley, 你们好. And also Joey from Hong Kong. Nice to see you back here. Right, so yes, hi Hubert. Nice to see you here. All right, Flora, Mika. All right, nice to see all of you here back here again. All right, and nice to see all of you. Really nice. Maria, hi, hi. All right, 曼歪你好，曼歪. Okay, so hi. Yeah. So today, what we are going to do is that, yeah, last week great TP. Okay, that's good. Congratulations. That's nice. All right. So yeah, now come back to this week. No matter what, okay, last week, no matter what kind of a profit you have, this week is a fresh new week. Let's reset all your mind, all right? Let's reset all the mindset, all right? Don't let the complacency take over us, and we shall start all over again with a fresh mind. Okay, guys? All right, Riano. All right, thank you. Great selling of my Bitcoin. Oh, yeah, really? Okay. I guess over the weekend is good as well. Okay. Okay, guys. So hi Bong, 你好. All right. So 好久不见啊. Okay. So let's see what do we have today. Okay. Um, Same thing. Okay. Quickly. I hope everybody. Okay. Follow. Okay. Like I've instructed some of my students here. Okay. If you felt that you're lost in your trading and you do not know what kind of currency pair you are going to trade, all right, I will suggest that, okay, first of all, you can take my video as a reference to see what kind of currency pairs that I pick it up to sell. Then you follow my picks, and from there, okay, understand where is the point that you should enter a trade for selling. At the same time, also know where to collect your TP to get out of the trade. All right, so that you will have a guide there, so that it will be good for all of you to have guidance doing your daily trading as well. All right. So in forex trading plan, same thing. Okay, we got to focus. Okay, and my sharing over here is to help everybody focus in your trading, okay, so that you know what are the currency pair you are going to enter. All right. So without any delay, let's go into Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD. Well, Aussie CAD, as what we have been reading, okay, it has been going up all the way. All right, finally, yes, that's good. Okay, so people who are buying, congratulations. Okay, so for us today, are we going to sell since it has hit so high already? I would say that tentatively, I won't take any action yet, because as we have mentioned, this is my bear zone. Am I right? So this bear zone tentatively, okay, it is still there, okay, and now tentatively Aussie is still going strong, whereby it has exceeded my bear zone. So probably they may hit on another high, okay, continue the buying. However, okay, like we see over here, okay, if you see here, okay, let me make an example here. This price here, okay, it hits on this price and it stopped. There must be a reason, am I right? So as you can see, okay, over here on the left side, okay, this part here, as you can see, there's a support here, and previously the support was being set up here and has been tested and tested and tested again until it breaks. So of course, yes, it has become a support that become a resistance, and which actually give a hindrance of the price that slow down. But it has not show it. It is a resistance that show down. It is a resistance that slow down. But again, it is a good time to sell. I would say not yet. It may slide down for a little bit. Okay. However, it may not. Okay, it may slide down a little bit here. May take a break, a breather, then continue the buying. It has not shown any selling yet. Okay, it has not shown any selling yet. Okay, so tentatively, Okay, if you're asking me, I would say that probably yes, there may be a chance that it may slide down here for 40 pips, but this is still anti-trend. So I won't take this kind of risk. Okay, unless it showed that there's a sign of selling, then I will start to sell for this currency. Okay, this currency pair of Aussie CAD. So tentatively, I'm going to leave this alone first. Okay, of course, by looking at today, okay, Kiwi having an and a big explosion of Omicron. Okay, but that doesn't mean that today is a good time to sell in the region of Aussie and Kiwi. Okay, so we still have to really study more first. Okay, before it actually go into another buying that actually caught us in a trap. All right. So Aussie CAD, I will give you a miss, but it's already into my monitoring stage for selling. Okay. All right. Let's move again to Aussie franc. Let's take a look Aussie franc. So Aussie franc again. This is my bear zone. So I will still see that this whole area is still in the run. Is still in the bull, running very strongly into the bullish market. All right. Okay. So over here, so tentatively by looking at this, buying is still possible. Okay, buying is still very possible. And over like looking at this H4, we are going to have some breeder as well. So there will be another breeder. Okay, like I say here. Okay, can you see the breeder came and now form a support here. So if the support has been retested again, like now coming down, if it's not breaking this support, it will continue the buy. Okay, it will continue the buy. So in any case, right now, okay, looking at this, it has not really go into a state of selling yet. So I'm still waiting for it to go into this zone before before I'm going to monitor it for a selling signal. Okay. All right. So buying is possible. Yes. So just wait for it. Okay. In H1, I will see the price over here like 0.68172. All right, so this may be the price in my MT4. So just take a look at your MT4. If the support is setting up here, retested and not breaking, continue the buying, then you can buy. Okay. All right, so now let's go. Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen. Oh yeah, so complicated here, right? Okay, so let me remove this FIBO because actually we are having a discussion. All right, so let's remove this first. Okay, and yep. Okay, so over here, then let's take a look. Aussie yen, okay, still looking at a very bullish market today, right now. Same thing, okay, it has a breather, having a support. The support has been break over here. Support has been come here, okay, up here. So once it had retested the support area over here, a new red and green candle, a buying signal on top of the support, it will continue the buying. Okay. So by looking at this, okay, will there be any like say resistance that may hinder our buying? Okay, for people out there who want to buy. The next one will be really up here. Okay, the next one will be really up here already. So we have about 50 pips to go. Okay, buying. Okay, so Aussie yen, no. Okay, so no for selling. Okay, but buyers can take a look. Aussie Kiwi. Yes, Aussie Kiwi, we are very near to the bear zone, very near. Okay, so now we are in the by looking at this now we are in the transition area. Okay, transition area. Same thing. It went back to the transition area now over here. So tentatively by looking at this, what do I mean by transition area? Huh? Okay, so over here is a bull market. So bull is going to become a bear. They're bound to have a point. Is a very facing a lot of turbulence. So this is the area. Okay, this is the area whereby it will actually facing a lot of turbulence from changing the trend from bull to bear. So this is the area. Okay, this estimate no should be, let me see, over here, this is the area, correct? So yeah, that is not very clear direction for us unless it get out of this area like here. Okay, then it will start to short. Okay, then yeah, then that is a good time for us to actually to sell. All right. Okay. So Aussie Kiwi, same thing. I'm going to pay attention to this because looks like it's still going into this region and started to get resistant. Okay, so still can pay attention to that. Probably yes, but however, we still need to pay attention to this as because okay, we can see a higher support okay coming and probably another higher support may form over here, okay, this part here, and that may cause it to go even higher. Okay, so be very patient if you want to sell. All right, so buyers just take note, any buying signal come along on the support in this area, yes, you can sell in H1. Okay, just pay attention to this H1. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's move again to Aussie dollar. Yes, thank you, Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar over here. Okay, oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar over here. Same thing in the bull. Higher support, continue the bull run, meeting up with a resistance over here. Yes, there's a resistance here, huh? Okay, so cool. This resistance is very cool, huh? Okay, we are still in the bull run. So if people want to sell today, we are on the resistance. Okay, we are indeed on the resistance. Okay, so this is the kind of retracement trading today. So by looking at this, probably today it may on the resistance, it may turn down, okay, and the support is here. So do you think that you can sell for today? It's already in the bull, is in the bull trend, it's in the bullish trend, okay. And if you want to sell, I think that is not really a good idea to sell at this point of time, okay. All right, so I think this is not good, okay. But for seller, for buyer, sorry, for buyers, buyer, you can actually wait for this again. Now it's tested on the support. If it's not breaking, another buying signal with a red and green candle coming again, all right, then wait for it to break the resistance. Wait for it to break the resistance, form a buying signal, then you go. So you also need patience for this, okay? Buyers, okay, you also need patience for this, all right? So yeah, let's move against this. Aussie have nothing, let's move. Euro Aussie. Yes, selling, selling. So happily selling, correct? Okay. Of course, the seasons of fire. Okay. Tentatively, it seems like the war is has a sign of to stop. But again, we do not know. Okay. Event is being created by human decision. Market is affected by human emotion. So we better be safe, okay, that we should actually monitor further before we take action, correct? Okay, so right now, by looking at Euro Aussie, by looking at this Euro Aussie, it seems like it seems like things like has already started to stable down and really start to get some recovery. I would say yeah, more or less it will. Okay, so definitely okay, everyone in the world is trying to salvage the economy. However, so we also need to monitor for Eurozone and Pound Zone. Okay, so let's take a look Euro Aussie. It has actually tested what's on the support here. Okay, tested one support here. Okay, this support we have right now. Let's take a look like this. About 100 over pips, and we have retraced upwards. Okay, from here to here, we have already retraced about 80 over pips. So it seems like seems like now it has been retracing for the past 12 hours. Okay, and all this after it dropped down and going back for 80 pips. Wow, that is a very big retracement, huh? Okay, so guys, I think this one Euro Aussie, if we are going to sell, okay, we have to be very extremely careful. Okay, if there is in H1, okay, let me see. Okay, in H1, if there's this is the point, it's going to be very big. You see this point here, it actually stopped here, correct? It actually stopped here. It seems like it's a resistance over here, but is this a resistance that can really stop the price from going up again? Okay, we do not know. Am I right? Okay, so I would suggest, okay, let's check on H4. Okay, let's check on H4. H4, okay, let's check H4. I will see, okay, where is the resistance that is going to be, okay. Um, Let me see over here. Let's check H4. We actually meet up here. One here, two here. Oh my god. Okay, it's pretty high up. Okay. While Euro Aussie, yes, this zone here, the bull zone, okay, the bull zone has actually become the resistance over here. All right, it has become the resistance over here. So let's Euro Aussie, indeed it is still in the selling. It is still in the selling. So I will say that probably, yeah, we can actually hang on with this Euro Aussie. If it touches the resistance here, okay, which is it's just below the bull zone. Okay, if it's not breaking, yes, we can sell. Okay, we can sell. Then this is quite active. Okay, so we have a very big space. So Euro Aussie, we can take note. Okay, Euro Aussie. But if Euro Aussie went into the zone here, okay, which is a 1.47262 above 1.47262, then I guess that will not be not a good currency pair for us to trade anymore. Okay, so today, okay, we are going to pay attention to Euro Aussie, okay, to sell. Okay, EuroCAD over here, same thing, EuroCAD. However, EuroCAD today is actually entering into the bull zone, which means that they may have some reversal. Okay, may have some reversal. So let's check again. Okay, the support. Okay, the support here. Okay, over here. There might have some reversal over here, and probably we need to be very careful as well. Okay, in this bull zone, okay, now the price are into my bull zone is a sign of a reversal. So taking a look at this, we do we still have a chance to sell? I guess probably not. Okay, EuroCAD, I guess we have to stay away first. If there's a chance to sell within this area and you wanted to sell, okay, we have about 30 pips to go. But again, remember, this zone is a turbulent zone whereby things will start to change the trend, okay, and you are into the bull, and whereby a lot of support is in there and it's not very recommended to sell. Okay. However, if you wanted to sell and scalp some profit from there, then probably now, okay, in this hour, there may be another chance for you to scalp. Okay, so there may be a chance for you to scalp over. Okay, right now. Okay, so by looking at this, if it's not breaking this resistance, okay, I'm moving now to M1 to take a look closely where's the resistance exactly. So okay, so probably this may be a good time. Okay, so but EuroCAD, I would recommend a scalp. Okay, a scalp for sellers, but I will not put this into my list. Okay, Euro Pound. Yes, Euro Pound, which I said last week. I will recommend to trade Euro Pound. Okay, because of the situation right now, it's going to be very very volatile. So I will not. The trend may look like it's going to sell further down. Okay, but for me, I would prefer to stay away from the risk. Okay, all right. So Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen again. Okay, let's take a look. Euro yen over here. Looks good to sell. Okay, looks good to sell because okay, it's testing on the support and it actually has a retracement after testing the support. So right now, at of this support, let's take a look at this support. Okay, where is the support over here? If you can see support, okay, supported, and let's move right directly over here. The previous support has been tested a few rounds, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, let me move it back. Okay, let's save time. Okay, let's bring it down. Okay, so right now, as you can see, previous resistance has break and become the support here. Tested once, tested twice over here until now. Okay, over here. So until now, okay, it has been tested once again, break, and this has sign of a sign of lower resistance, a lower resistance. That means to say previous support has become a resistance here. So which is good. Okay, so I'm going to bring down the support, okay, over down here, and the resistance I'm going to bring it down here. Okay, so this is a sign of this is the area that we can start trading for about 60 pips to go. Okay, so right now we are on the resistance. Right now we are on the resistance for euro yen. So if it's not breaking, okay, then we have a chance to sell. When the selling with green and red candle coming along, then we have a chance to sell. If not, this level will be the next, a higher one before the bull zone, okay, about 125.541. That will be another resistance level. Okay, that will be another resistance level, huh? Okay, so let's monitor this. Okay, so euro yen, okay, euro yen, I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, but these two, I have a euro Aussie and euro yen with me, but these two, we have a lot of patience to go, huh? Okay, so Euro Kiwi, let's go Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi is good. Then this is a very clear cut that I have so much confidence about selling this Euro Kiwi since weeks ago. I think everyone benefit from that as well. So now it's penetrating through the bull zone, and now we are going to sell. Are we continue the selling as much as we want it to be? Okay, so again, let's see. I'm showing all of you. Okay, so now let's see over here. And the support. Let's show you where this is where the support may be. Okay, over here. And the resistance level. Okay, yeah, looking at this, it should be, yeah, it's here. Okay, let's see in H4. Okay, H4. H4, I'm looking out for my resistance level. Okay, so over here, let's see. Okay, so now H4, looking good in H4, but this H4 doesn't seem like in this area. Okay, H4. Okay, no, it is not there yet. So wow, I guess it is still quite a good time to go. Okay, never mind. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, today, yep. Okay, so let's see. Same thing over here. Okay, the resistance level. Yep. Okay. Now again, we are testing on the resistance level again. Okay, so we are testing the resistance level again. So the retracement is testing the resistance level. Wow, we have 100 over pips to go. Okay, so let's see. Euro Kiwi, okay, Euro Kiwi. Right now, it's testing on the resistance. Okay, so it's testing on the resistance. If this resistance is not breaking, I guess probably we may have a chance to sell. Okay, we may have a chance to sell for Euro Kiwi, but tentatively by looking at this right now, this resistance, okay, when this resistance comes along with the support here, and with the situation right now over the weekend, what I have read, I would say that Euro Kiwi with the Omicron situation, Euro may go stronger than Kiwi. Okay, that actually may push the price higher up to another level. So there will be a level of this of a resistance over here. Okay, this area of resistance to here. Okay, these two area. Okay, these two prices which created an area. This may be the resistance. So probably today Euro Kiwi, if it doesn't short here, it doesn't start selling here, that means it's going to start selling up here. Okay, so these two areas. So if you can grab some profit here, other than that, stay put. Okay, stay put. If it start to reversing and break this resistance, that means it's moving up to this resistance as well. Okay, so currently I will say that we can still pay attention to this. Okay, pay attention to this resistance over here. Okay, but by looking at the situation right now here, okay, if you ask me, okay, in a very strong and concrete way to read here, okay, since I cannot find anymore, I will move one time frame up. okay, to see. Because right now, as you can see over on the left side, okay, this area of resistance, we can see there's a lot of wicks that has been hovering around here until it breaks, right? Okay, so when it comes back here, there's no testing of any of the resistance yet, so it won't become a support so far. Okay, so far, okay, so far it has not become a support yet. So tentatively, this resistance, I would say that it still stands. Okay, it still stands over here with the resistance which I actually quoted here just now. Okay, and this area of resistance is still here. So I would say that yeah, it's still pretty good. Okay, I would say that it's still pretty good to go. Okay, so tentatively, okay, we will still be able to focus. Okay, able to focus on this Euro Kiwi, huh? Okay, Euro Kiwi. Okay, so I'm going to put Euro Kiwi into my watch list also. Okay, so let's move again. Euro dollar, Euro dollar, Euro dollar again, Euro dollar, Euro dollar from here. Okay, it actually moved down. Then, as what we can see, it's very near to the bull zone. Correct? It's very near to the bull zone. Huh? Okay, I'm moving very near to the bull zone. Is there any danger? Okay, let's look at where's the support level. Okay, support level is here. Okay, we have a support level here. And also we have another resistance tested. Oh no, the resistance is pretty high up. Huh? Okay, it has a, let's check. Okay. Okay, the resistance. Let's check where's the resistance level first. Okay. Okay, let me see. This is so clear. Okay, good. Support, and now it has the support is here. Okay. The resistance is actually over here. As we can see, the resistance area which has been touched for so many times and break, come back as a support to go, correct? So all the way until now, we have not touched this again. So this part here, it has become a tested the support and break. So naturally, it become a resistance. Support has become a resistance over here. So a chance to sell coming soon. Euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar coming soon, coming soon. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, this is where I want to enter for a trade. Okay, so take note, because it has been tested for a few rounds. Okay, and it's not breaking yet. So I guess over here, as you can see, this is what I meant by the retracement hits on the resistance, which is not breaking, and you see it has been resisted from the this current hour. It has been resisted from the resistance. Green, red forming a selling signal and now coming, correct? So right now it's still on the trending side. Okay, it's still on the trending side, so there will be a good chance for selling on euro dollar. Okay, all right, so let's move again to pound Aussie. Sorry, pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie. Yes, continue the selling. The selling is still very strong. Okay, so by looking at this pound Aussie seems like coming to the end, coming to an end of selling. Looks like okay, but let's check first. Okay, let's check. Okay, okay. So okay. Today I'm going to show you okay, things like this. We are at the rock bottom, and how are we going to actually be very firm about our support in when we are hitting on the rock bottom here. So we have about pound Aussie, we still have about 30 over pips to go. Okay, 30 over pips to go, to be exact. Okay, let's see. 40 pips, about 40 pips to go. All right, so 40 pips to go, and over here, whereby the okay support was here and created one, been tested. Okay, one touch here, two, three, and kind of many of touches when I see. Okay, so tentatively for pound Aussie over here, from here to here, is we have about 40 pips to go. 40 pips, okay, it looks good, huh? It seems like the volatility has increased so much. Okay, so if it's not breaking for pound Aussie, if it's not breaking, yes, we have a chance to sell as well. Okay, good chance to sell. Okay, so pound Aussie, please take note of the spread here for pound Aussie today. Okay, pound Aussie we are facing a very big spread here today. Okay, so please take note because I guess there's some pound is facing issue now with and also Aussie. Okay, I think today pound Aussie is still looking for a selling, but the spread is really very big today. So be very careful if you want to sell this. By looking at this, the spread is going as crazy as 10 over pips. Okay, let's take a look here. 15, about 13 pips. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, so no, when the spread is too big, that means to say that bound to have something going to happen against this currency pair. So I think I'm going to stay away from this, okay, to reduce the risk further down. Okay, so pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD. So pound CAD is looking at this today. Same pound CAD is still quite okay. Pound CAD we're into the bull zone. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this support is here. Okay, we are moving towards now. Okay, very okay, very near, but again with the volatility today, okay, we are still quite safe. Okay, so selling is still possible. It's just that today we are now on this new resist, forming a new resistance. We are forming a new resistance over here, pound CAD earlier on. Okay, so as we can see, pound CAD here. Okay, there is a support here. Okay, let's see. The previous support. Okay, over here. Okay, move up here, and now the support tested and break, coming as a resistance and coming here as a support. So back over the other side on the current situation now, is it a resistance? Okay, it may form a resistance up here, correct? Okay, it will form a support that become a resistance up here. So same thing. Okay, we are on the resistance again. Okay, same thing, we are on the resistance again right now. We are on the resistance. So when we are on the resistance right now and it's not breaking, look out for a selling. Okay, pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD. Okay, so I'm going to put pound CAD into my watch list today. All right, so pound CAD is in my watch list today. So there will be a chance to sell. So support wise is quite low. Okay, support wise. Okay, let me show you how do I get it. Okay, support wise is here, and we are still running for around the first one that will have about 40 pips. We still have about 40 pips to go. Okay, there's a 40 pips to go. All right, so over here. Okay, no, sorry, about 27 to 30 pips. Let me see. Yeah, okay, about 30 pips. Okay, so yeah, you can grab for some pound CAD here. If you don't have anything, then you have to skip. All right, pound franc definitely no. Very clear for me. Okay, pound franc. Okay, we are in the bull, right? In the bull zone, running, retesting, and hits on the bull and it stop, and it continue to go back for the bull. Buyers can stand by, but sellers stay away. Okay, so pound yen looks good as well. Pound yen continue the selling, but seems like today with this kind of candle forming is not really the ideal when we see such a candle with a double bottom here. So we are having a buying bullish pin bar right now. So tentatively for pound yen, okay, pound yen, I would say that over here in pound yen, this is the resistance level. Okay, so if it's not breaking this level, then we have a chance to sell again. Okay, we have 60 pips to go because when the market opens today, the turbulence is quite big. So we may able to trade in this turbulence area, but it's kind of going for a ranging. It's on the resistance not breaking, and now we are coming back for selling of space, all right, with 60 pips. So I think this is quite good. All right. So yeah, keep a lookout for pound yen as well. Pound kiwi. So pound kiwi definitely is so good. We still have good time to we have good chance to sell again. However, we are on the support. We are now on the support right now. Okay, we are on the support. So tentatively by looking at this, okay, the support is here, and now let's take a look. Resistance is there as well. Okay, same. creating a new resistance over here. Looks good. Okay. So same thing. When we are at the rock bottom, we have two. Usually you will meet up with two resistance. Okay. One resistance is here, another one is here. This region. Okay, this region. Okay. So tentatively with this, okay, I see one big rejection candle over here. So with aqua line over here, you can see that this is also one of the way that is respecting the resistance. Okay, so it's coming back to a resistance. So pound kiwi, we have good time to sell. We have good chance to sell as well. Okay, pound kiwi again. Okay, by looking at pound kiwi, tentatively the spread is also very big, very big. Okay, so this spread is about near to 20 pips. Okay, it's going to be so crazy, huh? Okay, this is pound kiwi, right? Okay, so pound kiwi. Okay, since if it's the spread is about 15 pips, okay, and so big, okay, I guess today we should also give it a miss as well. All right, so no, okay, pound kiwi we're going to give it a miss today. Okay, it's good. It is looking good unless the spread reduces until to the normal state, then we start selling. Okay, if not, then we will just give it a miss. So you see, sometimes not just by looking at is a bearish market that you can sell, but it's also talking about the spread. The spread is too big. The spread is too big. I'm going to give this a miss. If you want, of course you can. Okay, but of course I won't. I won't recommend that. Okay. All right. So pound dollar retested the bull zone over here. So pound dollar is retesting. So right now, I will say that it's supposed to go for a buy. So pound dollar, I will suggest a buy than a selling. Okay. So, but however, by looking into this situation, okay, a lower resistance is coming very soon. Okay, towards the bull zone. It seems like a sign of selling towards the bull and breaking the bull as well. So we are tested the bull once and it's coming again. So we have only about 14 pips. So I would suggest a buy. That's the reason I suggest a buy. Okay, so seller stay away from pound dollar, so stay away. Okay, so dollar CAD today, dollar CAD again retested into the resistance and now coming back for a selling. Okay, so right now it looks good. Dollar CAD, there's a chance to sell. However, yeah, for the past 8 hours, we have already missed one round. By looking at this support, okay, let's see. We have about 20 pips to go. So is it good to sell? Yes, we are good to sell. One, okay, aqua cuts below the white line here. Okay, then second, it breaks the support here. It breaks the support with a new resistance below. Okay, with a new resistance below. Okay, then we have a good chance to sell for another 60 pips. Okay, so dollar CAD is good. Okay, dollar CAD is good to pay attention to. So looks like okay a chance to sell for dollar CAD. What about dollar franc? Dollar franc, let's take a look at dollar franc. I will suggest a buy. It's still in the bull run. Okay, so but the bull run today we need to be a little bit of patient. 17 pips to break the resistance with a new buying signal on top of the resistance, above the resistance, then we start buying. Okay, that's for dollar franc. So sellers stay away from new dollar franc. Okay, and now how about dollar yen? Okay, by looking at dollar yen, I make some adjustment on the dollar yen reading over here because things change between Japan the decision and also America decision. So regarding to the war, so tentatively by looking at this dollar yen, okay, dollar yen here we are on the support, and now it's creating a higher support towards the resistance. So buying is possible for dollar yen. Definitely no for selling. Okay, all right. So that's for dollar yen today. Okay, and how about Bitcoin? Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin over last week since Friday it has been started. Thursday has been started selling since last week we are talking about it. Okay, so now we are creating a seems like we're creating a higher support. Am I right? Okay, a higher support from here. from here, it meeting with the support and it's not breaking, continue the buy and finally come back. So now over here today it looks like we are selling, but again is that when we look at a small lower time frame of H4 over here, the support was here, and for the past 4 hours it has already started to rejected the selling, rejections of the selling over here. So the rejection of the selling over here, okay, so it looks like there's a sign of buying. Okay, so it's in the transition of the sign of buying yet, because of the lower resistance. Okay, so it's trying to break the pattern. It's trying to break the pattern to show there's a buying signal. As for me, okay, as for me, if you're asking me about Bitcoin, I would prefer to buy. Okay, it's a bit different from what my usual trading pattern. I sell all the currency. I don't buy any currencies. But for Bitcoin, I always look out for a buying point that I want to buy. So today, looking good to buy. But looking good to buy is at the verge of changing. Okay, it looks like it's resistant there. Okay, all right. So Riano, I know you have been selling from 42 to, I'm not sure where did you stop. Okay, so over here, okay, so this part here is this is a point that where it's actually started to have forming a higher support to go for a buy. So we are still looking at 48. Okay, the price we are still looking at 48 before it actually breaks to a world. The world is actually looking at 100 round. Okay, so of course, the rest of the news that is going to impact this, I'm not sure when it's going to release. Okay, so tentatively, okay, all you sold at 30, 39, 38.9. Oh, okay, 38.9. Okay, so good profit, huh? Okay, but now I'm looking out for buying. Okay, so that's all for about the Bitcoin. Okay, so quickly we have 1 minute before the market opens. So guys, remember, okay, we're entering the second week of the March. So there will be a change of next week. There will be a change of trading hours as well because of the daylight savings, because the standard into a daylight savings. So I will be putting up in my Facebook page, ACS Learning Hub. Okay, so do visit my page as well. Give me a like, follow my page as well to get some updates. Okay, about the trading hour as well. All right. Okay, guys, I shall wish you good luck in your trading today, and I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, so remember what I'm going to post out, focus on is those are the trades euro Aussie, euro yen, euro kiwi, euro dollar, pound cap, pound yen, and dollar cap. All except dollar cap. Okay, we need patience. Okay, a lot of resistance. We are rock bottom, two resistant areas, so pay attention to that. Okay, all right. So guys, good luck to you. And this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. See you tomorrow. See you again.